Say hello to the Bliss Kiss pump dispenser. I chose a dispenser that wouldn't squirt liquid across your room. Surprisingly, many do. Press gently to create a pool of acetone for manicure cleanup. It's great for wetting your cotton with acetone without damaging your manicure, especially during stamping cleanup. I personally use 4, one for pure acetone, one for my acetone with Simply Soft additive, one for my rubbing alcohol, and even one for my makeup remover. At Bliss Kiss, we believe in creating life-changing products with an exceptional customer experience. We guarantee results that delight, or we'll make it right. If you'd like to be part of the Bliss Kiss family, please visit myBlissKiss.com to order today.